Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to learn an interesting supplementary reader, Lost in Space. 5th Standard English Samchar Kalvi, Term 1, Book page number 92. Prepared and presented by Miss Julie, JMJ English Medium High School. Lost in Space. Hamudan and Nilavan visited the Space Museum. They saw a model of a space shuttle. Then Nilavan found a latch and opened the shuttle. They entered the shuttle and the door locked. Hamudan and Nilavan are very good friends. One day they visited the Space Museum. Space Museum is a place where all space and aircraft are displayed. Hamudan and Nilavan saw a model of a space shuttle. Nilavan found a latch. Latch is a device for keeping a door or gate closed. Nilavan pulled the latch and opened the shuttle. As soon as they entered the shuttle, the door closed. Now they were trapped inside and they walked into the deck. Hamudan: so many switches. What does this big green switch do? Nilavan: no, don't touch it. They were trapped inside the shuttle. Hamudan and Nilavan were unable to get out of the space shuttle. So they walked into the deck. Deck means a flat area for walking on. They saw many switches. Hamudan eagerly wanted to know what does the green switch do. Nilavan told to him not to touch the switch, but Hamudan did not listen to him. But Hamudan had pressed the switch, and the shuttle burst into outer space. Nilavan: what have you done, Hamudan? Hamudan: sorry, I thought the button would open the door, but looks like I hit the wrong button. He pressed the switch and the shuttle burst into outer space. Nilavan questioned Hamudan what he had done. Hamudan felt sorry and said he thought the button would open the door. The shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. Nilavan: Hamudan, an asteroid is coming towards us. Turn the shuttle. Hamudan: how will I turn the shuttle? Let me try pulling this lever. Asteroid means a small rocky body orbiting the sun. The asteroid belt is a region of space between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. The asteroid belt contains millions of asteroids. Nilavan was warning Hamudan about the asteroid and asked him to turn the shuttle. For that, Hamudan told to him he doesn't know how to turn the shuttle. He said he will try by pulling the lever. The shuttle crash landed on a new planet. Nilavan: are you alright, Hamudan? Hamudan: I am fine. Quick, we must wear a space suit. They crashed the shuttle on the new planet. Both are fine. They ran to wear their space suit. Space suit is a suit that covers the entire body and is equipped to keep alive in space. They ran for the suits. Nilavan saw green lights coming towards the shuttle. Nilavan: look at those lights. It is coming towards us. Hamudan: yes, they are all around us, and that shuttle is very big. Let us wear our suits. While they wear their space suit, Hamudan and Nilavan saw a big shuttle and green light from the shuttle. From the big shuttle there comes aliens. Shatter means broke. Aliens broken the window of the shuttle and took Hamudan and Nilavan out. Aliens from the big shuttle shattered the windows and took them out. Aliens:
Please, don't be afraid. There is a problem with your shuttle. We can fix it for you.
Hamudan and Nilavan: how is this possible? Do you speak our language? Aliens:
We can read your mind and use that to speak your language.
Aliens told to Hamudar and Nilavan not to get afraid on seeing them. Aliens said they will fix the space shuttle for both of them. Hamudar and Nilavan wondered on hearing the aliens spoke their language. They asked the aliens how do they speak in their language. For that, aliens told to them they can read the mind and use that to speak the language. The aliens gave them a special room so that they can remove their suits and rest. Aliens.
Please rest here and eat these capsules. They are the same as your food.
Aliens.
Hey, wake up. Your ship is ready. Put on your suits. It is time to go home.
Aliens took both Hamudar and Nilavan to a special room where they can remove their suits and take rest. Aliens gave food in form of capsule. After a few hours, aliens wake Hamudar and Nilavan and said the ship is ready. It's time for them to go back to home. Hamudar and Nilavan, thank you for your help. Are you coming to Earth with us? Aliens.
When the time comes, we will see you.
Hamudar and Nilavan told thank you for the help and invite the aliens to Earth. Aliens told them when the time comes they will come to Earth. Today in this class we learnt an interesting supplementary reader, Lost in Space. Let me meet you with another interesting topic in next class. Thank you.